All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol BIEI, another one requested over on Reddit. Again, shout out to you guys over there. We definitely appreciate you participating and letting us know what stock tickers you're following. So we get a wide range of different people, different stocks that they're following. You guys know how we do it. We try to cover about 150 stocks minimum a week, somewhere anywhere between 100 to 200. Really just depends on what kind of day that me and Joe are having and how many we can get through in a given day. But we do try hard. That being said, we're going to jump into BIEI right now. What are you guys looking at? The first thing I would suggest to you guys, if you're following this stock, is go on YouTube and look up the video. Penny stock gap ups don't do this. This right there. Really explains a lot about what you've seen right here, a lot about what you've seen right here, and you didn't see right here. Okay, you didn't see that right there, but you've seen it the two other following days. Like I said, it's a big thing about how it gaps up and ends up pulling down. You guys did rally into this one. All right, there was a move, but what happens is that when you open up so much higher like that, not every time, obviously this is my proven point, it doesn't happen every single time, but 9 times out of 10, I believe it does happen. You guys gap up quite like that, it pulls back, but look at what happens. You guys, boom, it's like a panic sell. You guys open up, everybody thinks it's going to keep going. Everybody starts selling, and the thing just starts falling apart. Everybody freaks out. The good news, however, is that right now your gap is filled. The gap that's going to be taking you guys back to over here at the 0197 and the 0180, that gap is now filled. We're going to be watching for this to go down to the 0166 area. It might go sideways for a few days. If that doesn't hold, you might go down to the 0147. I'd be keeping an eye on this one to chill out here for another day or so and then rally and bounce off one of those lines. But right there where it's currently at, it is filling the gap. That gap from back here just 2 days ago has now been filling. I think what's going to happen here is you're going to see this 10-day simple moving average kind of slowly come up right there, and either the stock come about right here the following day and come down to that red line and then just bounce off this purple line, and which would be the 10-day simple moving average. That's what we're going to be watching for this one, just to pull back for another day or so. That being said, I'm going to hand it over to Joe and see what he has to add.
All right, so their latest press release was on March 2nd. It was Premier Biomedical Incorporated announced on March 2nd that the principal amounts of their outstanding convertible debts have been retired. The company acknowledged that although it still needs capital to keep the business going, it will be more judicious in any future financing. The company has in the past had as many as 5 lenders at once converting debt as they struggle to finance their aggressive research programs on PTSD and cancer. The company has since shelved their promising cancer research program and PTSD research until they can acquire a suitable development partner. The company reports they have been in discussion with a number of potential partners with whom their promising patent-pending antibody drug for breast cancer can be developed. It is because of the enormous cost of our research that we decided to pivot our attention temporarily towards manufacturing and selling pain relief products to generate a revenue stream. We currently are selling what we consider to be the world's best 96-hour pain patch and hemp oil roll-on applicator. We plan on introducing 4 more pain relief products this calendar year, said William A. Hartman, president and CEO of Premier Biomedical. The company sells their pain relief products through their website, and it's painreliefmeds.com, as well as through direct distributors. Hartman continued, our stock has been under enormous pressure due to the heavy amount of debt converted into shares and introduced to the market. The dilution of the stock has been a concern to us and to all of our shareholders, and to see it reach an end is a relief to all of us. Going forward, we will still need to finance a portion of our operations, but we have tightened our belts and will continue to run very lean until we generate sufficient revenue to become self-funding. We are confident that our approach will result in a significant increase in our stock price in the future. So that right there is their March 2nd press release. And as always, if you have an opinion or you want to, do some more due diligence on this, you just go right up to the BIEI board over there on Investors Hangout. From there, you could look into the financials and their filings, and then check out their recent news, like I just read right there from the March 2nd. And as always, if you have an opinion on it, feel free to share it to tens of thousands of like-minded investors we have using the site.
All right, with the chart, like I said, watch for a pullback, maybe another day or so, and bounce off the 0166-ish area. Support at 0166, 0147, 0129, resistance at 0198 and 0245. So again, BIEI, if you're following the stock, make sure you hit subscribe and like. We'd appreciate it. If this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit that like button. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know there.